Sniper 1 versus Sniper 2. I can't tell a difference, to be honest with you. I don't know. If there's a difference, I don't know what it is. I've had luck with the Sniper 1. I've had extremely bad luck with the Sniper 1. So ran fine on the 72 Corvette. The one that I put on, oddly enough, I put on this motor before it was rebuilt. Whenever it was still in the Smoke Monster, I tried running the Sniper 1 on this one, and it had the issue with the wideband would read fine for about 30 seconds and then would trail off, lean, causing the Sniper to just dump fuel. It's a known issue with the Snipers that the wideband controller craps the bed and makes it completely useless. Just not worth the hassle. I can't say that that problem has been fixed with the Sniper 2. I know a lot of people are having issues with injectors failing. Would I buy another one? I honestly do not know. It's expensive. It's too expensive. Why they haven't released nitro support for this thing yet, I don't understand. I cannot recommend a Holley product to you guys. So keep that in mind. Now, if you've got a 350 like this and you just want to throw it on, get better gas mileage, better drivability, cold start is great on this thing, you know, hey, go for it. So is the best that I can say on that. Now, let me know if you guys would like for me to go through the software side of things on the Sniper 2 and do a video on that. If it would be interesting, or if you think you might be able to benefit from it, I'll do it. But if not, I'm not going to waste my time. It's pretty straightforward. Other than that, you know, check out the description, check out our sponsors, our supporters, check out the Patreon, all that fun jazz. Subscribe if you haven't. That song and dance. Listen, you guys know the drill. Thanks for stopping by the garage. Remember, ABT, always be tuning.